Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on the gray switcher next to Auto Brightness feature to turn it on. As you can see, after that, Auto Brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same switcher again. If you wish to, you can also access Tab menu and tap on this little icon with a sun located next to brightness slider to turn on or off adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!